Welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about the Infinix Note 60 Pro, its design, performance, battery, camera, and whether you should buy it or not. First, let's talk about the design. The Infinix Note 60 Pro looks modern and premium. It has a slim body with a clean camera design at the back. Now the display, you get a large screen perfect for watching YouTube, playing games, browsing social media. It supports a smooth refresh rate, which makes scrolling feel faster and smoother compared to older 60Hz phones. Let's talk about the performance. Inside the phone runs on a decent processor for everyday use. It handles WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, light gaming very smoothly. If you go for higher RAM options, multitasking becomes better. Let's talk about the battery and charging. Battery is one of the most strong points. The Infinix Note 60 Pro comes with a larger battery that can easily last one full day, even 1.5 days for light users. It also supports fast charging, so you don't need to wait for so many hours. This is perfect for students, business people, and content creators. Talking about the camera, now the camera in good daylight photos are clear, bright, social media ready. For night shots, it's okay. Not the best, but acceptable for the price. Selfie camera is decent for video calls, TikTok, Instagram stories. It's not flagship level, but for its price, it delivers very well. Talking about the storage and software, the phone comes with a good storage options. You can store apps, videos, photos, games without worrying too much. The software is smooth, but like most budget phones, you may see some pre-installed apps. So you should buy the Infinix Note 60 Pro if you want a big battery, smooth display, modern design,